there was also a tapping noise on the motor, guys. My stupid ass. Look what I did. What the valve covers over there? I'll show you guys what I did, man. It's crazy. So I actually had a tapping noise. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, damn, what the hell is that noise? And like, damn, I'm trying to figure it out. I wasn't making a tapping noise before. Guys, look what my stupid ass did. I got some shit in here. But look what my stupid ass did, guys. And yes, you guessed it. Them is the freaking springs and shit lashing against the valve cover that was making that tapping noise. I'm thinking something is wrong. I'm thinking it got missed. I'm thinking something ain't right. But the freaking valve cover was on backwards, guys. My stupid whatchamacallit. But it is what it is, man.